Did you ever wonder why people who do yoga regularly are in general happy people? Or did you ever wonder why there's more and more people doing yoga? Maybe you notice in your surroundings. Well, I got the chance to ask Master Sri Akarshana why he thinks that yoga is such an important thing you should be doing. I had the chance to attend a virtual dinner with Master Sri Akarshana. And if you don't know Master, then let me quickly explain to you who Master is. Master is a social influencer who has 1.8 million subscribers on YouTube alone, plus on other social media platforms. So he has almost like 3 million, or he has 3 million followers. And Master is also a spiritual master who was initiated by Grandmaster Aksha, who is a Himalaya Siddha from the Himalaya. That's why it's a Himalaya Siddha. So if you don't know what a Himalaya Siddha is, you can Google it, but to wrap it in one sentence, they have lots of powers from the universe. So to say it quickly. And I had the chance to attend a virtual dinner, and I asked Master why he thinks people should be doing yoga. So you will see this now. And for my channel, I would like to ask Master, because my channel is about yoga and meditation for making people feel better. And maybe Master could explain in his words why he thinks that yoga is so important for the well-being.
Yoga, I think people think that yoga is just a physical practice, when the word yoga itself means unity, it's oneness, it's everything. So yoga is a lifestyle. When we do practices on the mat, like yoga practitioners, yogis and yoginis, they can take what they are learning on the mat to their everyday life. And so it not only benefits our body, not only benefits our mind, not only benefits our soul on an energetic level, but it helps us with three core things, which is strengthening stability and flexibility. And when we strengthen or become more flexible, more adaptable, or be more stable with our body, our mind becomes that. And when our mind becomes that, our energy becomes that, and our manifestations become that. So I think it's something that has completely changed my life, and that's why we teach it so much. And I'm very happy to see, Marian, that you are spreading the word with more people and helping more people on that journey. And I think you're doing a wonderful job. Yeah.
Thank you, Master. Yeah, I totally relate to the fact that it's a lifestyle. I started yoga maybe as a workout, but it quickly changed into being like the full yogic lifestyle. Wonderful, isn't it? And yoga is not only, it's a lifestyle. Of course, you can only do it for a workout. It's also a very good workout. It's very good for stress relief. It's good for your flexibility and all of that. It's good for you. It doesn't matter if you just do it as a workout, if you do it for stretching only and you don't do the powerful poses, if you do the full thing with meditation and pranayama, and if you make it a full lifestyle and you work on the 8 limbs of yoga, and asanas, meditation, pranayama are only 3 of the 8 limbs. And if you would like to know what are the 8 limbs of yoga, let me know in the comments below, and I can make a video on that in a separate video for you. So it doesn't matter if you live the full yogic lifestyle or if you just take little things out of the whole 8 limbs. It doesn't matter. It will be good for you. it will make you feel better. It doesn't matter with how much of intensity. And maybe naturally, it will become more and more like it was for me. For many years, I only did it as a workout. But now I just live it. I mean, I breathe yoga and all of it, not only the asanas, everything that comes along with it. So that being said, I also asked Master what kind of meditation would be the best for beginners. So you can see this next. And as part of yoga, I mean, meditation is a big part of yoga. Is there any meditation you would recommend to a beginner that they should start with?
I think everyone should start with breath work. Like, don't need to overcomplicate the whole meditation thing. I think a lot of people think that, they need to open their third eye, they need to do something really complex. But I think to get into a meditative state, it starts from breath. Because breath calms the mind. And the moment your mind starts calming down, your sensories heighten. Your intuitive powers, everything else starts heightening. You become more conscious. When we find by using just breath, just by slowly deep inhaling, exhaling, with our eyes closed, our back is straight, and our palms upwards facing, we allow the energies to flow through us. And breathwork meditation is probably the foundation that allows you to do any deeper practices. We first need to learn to calm the mind, silence the mind, that monkey mind. And once we do that, then everything else will flow after that. Everything will become easy. You'll feel that connection, you'll feel that peace, you'll feel that bliss, and everything becomes easier. So I think that everybody should at least dedicate 5 to 10 minutes a day, palms upwards facing, legs crossed, back is nice and straight, eyes is closed, just fully with the deep and slow inhale, exhale, deep abdominal breathing into the stomach. I think that is definitely the starting place, and which will give the foundation for every meditation that leads from there.
Thank you so much. I totally agree, which is also why pranayama is so important for yoga, right? So yeah, if you're new to meditation, just, it's enough if you just sit and breathe and just follow the breath in your body. And you can do this with me quickly. Just breathe in and out. Deep inhale in and out. And maybe you notice the longer you do your breathing, like the inhalation, the more you extend the duration of the inhalation. And the more you extend the duration of your exhalation, the calmer you will get. So breathing is easy, and you can see on my channel there are a few yoga videos, breathing meditation videos I did. I will also put them in the description below. So yeah, you see, it's easy to get started, and your body, your mind, your spirit will be benefiting from it. So if you haven't started yet, make sure to start now by subscribing to my channel, and then I hope you will soon feel better and notice that my videos are especially made for you, so you feel better. That's my purpose of my channel. I want you to feel better. So if you want me to continue to doing that, please subscribe and come back to my channel, watch my videos, follow along, and then I would love to receive some feedback after you've been doing it for a few weeks. I would love to hear from you if you've noticed some changes within your body, mind, and soul. And with this, thanks for watching. Make sure to let me know you were here, and I wish you a wonderful day. Namaste.